Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing laces and insoles so you can treat the mesh directly. Use a soft brush to knock off loose dirt. This prevents embedding grime when wet. Mix 1 tablespoon gentle laundry detergent with 1 cup warm water and a squeeze of lemon for mild whitening. Once mixed, dip the brush and work small circular motions on a hidden patch to confirm no color loss. If safe, continue systematically across panels. Don't soak the shoe yet, target the mesh. You'll make a paste using 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon water, and 1 tablespoon 3% hydrogen peroxide. This lifts stains without harsh bleach. Work in sections, using a soft brush to scrub the mesh gently, focus on stained areas, and be careful not to oversaturate stitched regions, which can weaken glue. Once treated, let the paste sit for 15 to 20 minutes to react. If it's sunny, cover with a thin cloth to prevent quick drying and uneven whitening. Then rinse lightly with cool water. You must rinse the shoes thoroughly with cool water, using gentle streams to remove residue without pushing dirt deeper. Reshape the toe and stuff the interior with crumpled paper to retain form. Air dry in the shade. Direct sun or machine heat can yellow synthetic mesh and warp glue. Once dry, relace and inspect. If stubborn stains remain, repeat the paste process once more. If persistent, apply a 1:10 diluted household bleach spot treatment for very short contact. Then rinse immediately to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.